Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.2.25 Project Dimensions Sheet View. The Project Dimensions Sheet tab located along the bottom of the window is used to access this sheet. All sheets have at least one macro button located in column B labeled SLCT PRJT DMNS that switches to the project dimension sheet. The project dimension sheet is where most of the dimensions are entered. There are some situations when a dimension will be entered directly on the cost workup sheet. In those circumstances, the dimension is not entered over a formula, but rather an open cell is used. The project dimension sheet is a table of dimensions and the range names assigned to each dimension. The range name is used throughout the application in formulae and to display the value of the range name only. The auto filter function is used on the table to select what information to display. For example, the instructions example displays only 14 of the 648 table rows. Cost workup calculations are not performed on the project dimension sheet. This example 1.2.25 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.2.26.